presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
We've got Power Trux Ton. Here he comes. You're not Ton. Ty, get out of here. Here comes Ton. Garby. You silly Garby. Yay! It's Ton. Hey everybody, we've got some brand new Dinotrux toys. Are you excited to see them?
Yay!
Woohoo! So am I. Dinotrux is getting ready for Christmas with all of their Arctic die-cast toys. And you can see how Skya has snow on her. And here are some of the other snow toys. Ty and Structs. And we have the brand new Arctic Adventure Pack with the Snowblazer. Oh, he is so cool. I can't wait to see what he does. And we've got Ton, and he's got a lot of snow in there. And then we've got a Snow Scraptor. Wow, this is really neat. I can't wait to get them out of the box and show you what they do. And we also have some more fun toys to show you that are brand new. And let's see. Oh, here is Arctic Trux. And this is the frightened Click-Clack. Oh no, it looks like something scared him. I wonder what it was. Do you think it was a Scraptodactyl or an Aquadon? Roar. This Aquadon is pretty scary looking, and he swims in the water and tries to eat all their ore. Uh-oh. No wonder Click-Clack's scared. He's like, don't get me out of this box. I want to stay in here where it's safe. Roar. Right here we have Power Trux Ton. He drives around. So we'll get these all unboxed, but right now, let's start with Arctic Ty and Arctic Skya. Who should we open first, Ty or Skya?
Ty.
Ty? I think that's a good idea. Let's get Ty out of this box. We're gonna turn this. We've done lots of die-cast toys, but I'm pretty excited about these snow ones. And he moved just like the other Ties, but he's got snow on. Can he get all of his friends through the snowstorm and back to the crater? I can't wait to find out. This is a really cool toy. Now, let's get Skya out. Here we go. Here is our snow Skya. She's got snow on her conveyor belt. And when you pull up her tail, her head goes up and down. Woohoo! What do you see up there, Skya? She's high up in the sky. Very nice. So there's those two. And then we have our Pullback Racers. You just saw Ty. And here is Structs. And let me show you what he does when you pull him back. Hey, who do you think would win if we raced Ty and Structs?
Ty.
You think Ty would win the race? We'll have to see. That is one bad Structs. Let's see who wins the race. All right, Ty and Structs, we're ready for the race. 1, 2, 3, go! Ty won. What a good race. Here's what Ty does when you wind him up. His arms move and his head moves. So these are some really cool Blizzard winter toys. Now let's get the Arctic Adventure Pack out. Are you ready to see Snowblazer? I know I am. Are you guys ready to see Snowblazer?
Yes!
Woohoo! And Here we go. Here is our first look at Snowblazer. And there is Snow Tun-Tun and our Scraptor. Now let's get them out of here. Turn these off. Here is Snow Tun-Tun. And you can dump out the snow by pushing in his tail. That is really cool. He's trying to dump out his load of snow. And he's blue with white snow all over. Are you guys excited about watching the Dinotrux supercharged?
Yes!
I can't wait to see it. And all right, here is our Snowblazer. And what we're supposed to do is press his head down. So let's see what happens. Hey, he becomes a snowblade. So he can push snow out of the way. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. It's kind of like a bulldozer. Uh-oh, it's a Scraptor. Don't worry, Snowblazer will get him. 1, 2, 3. He got him. This is our Arctic Scraptor. And he's white with a little bit of blue. And then here is Snowblazer. 1, 2, 3. Drop those blades down and move all the snow out of the way. What a big helper. He kind of looks like Dozer, but he's got a snow blade. Now the last thing we have to open up is our frightened Click-Clack and our Power Trux Tun-Tun. Here's Click-Clack. Aw, he looks so scared. Poor guy. The snow is nothing to be scared of. Don't lose your bits. And we also need to open up Power Trux Tun-Tun. We've got Power Trux Tun-Tun. Here he comes. Hey, that's not Tun-Tun. Let's try again. Here comes Tun-Tun. You're not Tun-Tun, Garby. We've got Power Trux Tun-Tun. Here he comes. You're not Tun-Tun. Ty, get out of here. Here comes Tun-Tun. Garby. No, get out of the way, Garby. We want to see Tun-Tun. All right, Tun-Tun, we're ready for you. Hey, Dozer. Stop dozing. We want to see the new Tun-Tun toy. Now this one is really Tun-Tun. Uh-oh! It's a crash! They're gonna wreck. All right, that's it. No more messing around, you guys. We want to see Tun-Tun. Yay! It's Tun-Tun. Here he comes. Hey! Is that an Aquadon on your back? Look at this guy. He chomps. And he tries to steal all the ore. Tun-Tun, you better get rid of that guy. Here he goes. Bye, Tun-Tun. But I really enjoyed showing you these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. You declare, if you declare that Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.